Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. So to get started, let's power off the device by holding the power key. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume down, so both of them at the same time. And when you see the Realme logo, you can let it go. And in here, tap on the language that you want to use, and then choose wipe data. And you will need to know your pattern if you have one set. If you don't, then I think you will need to put some kind of pin that will be showing you, basically like a confirmation in a way. So it will give you basically a couple numbers here, and you need to input them on the pad. But because I have a pattern, it just forces me to confirm it. So once you do, you will have the format data right here. Step on OK, and the process will begin. Now at this part, it's a fairly quick one. So this should be just about done. But once you reboot the device, the process will actually continue in the background. So let's just give it a moment. So OK. And there we go, now it's rebooting. So this will take a couple minutes. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.